In this question, two cards are drawn one after another from a pack of 52 ordinary cards. Find the probability that the first card is an ace and the second drawn is an honor card. The first card is not replaced while drawing the second. Here we have number of ways of drawing two cards from a pack of 52 cards is equal to 52 C2 equal to 52 factorial upon 2 factorial into 52 minus 2 factorial equal to 52 factorial upon 2 into 50 factorial equal to 51 into 52 by 2. Now, the number of ways of drawing an ace card is there are 4 ace cards. The number of ways of drawing an ace card is 4C1 equal to 4 factorial upon 1 factorial into 3 factorial equal to 4. Now, the number of ways of drawing an honor card is ace, jack, queen and king. There are 4 ace cards, 4 jack cards, 4 queen cards and 4 king cards. So the number of honor cards is equal to 4 into 4 equal to 60. Now number of ways of selecting a honor's card is 16 C1 equal to 60. Therefore, the number of ways of selecting an ace card and then an honors card is 4 into 16 equal to 64. Therefore, the required probability is equal to 64 upon 51 into 52 by 2 equal to 64 into 2 upon 51 into 52 equal to if you simplify this we will get 32 upon 13 into 51 equal to 13 into 51 equal to 663. 32 upon 663. That is our probability.